Ready to level up your crypto trading? Ever felt like the standard Kraken app was a little too basic? Maybe you've heard of Kraken Pro and wondered, what exactly is it and is it for me? Well, you're in the right place. Kraken Pro is the platform for active traders who want more control, deeper insights, and lower fees. While the regular Kraken app is great for simple buys and sells, Kraken Pro is where you get serious. It's packed with professional-grade tools that give you a real edge in the market. So, let's dive into what makes Kraken Pro so powerful for beginners and how you can use it to start trading smarter. First things first, the interface. It might look a little intimidating at first glance, but it's designed to give you all the information you need in one place. On the main trading screen, you'll see the charts, the order book, and your trading panel. The charts, powered by TradingView, offer a ton of analysis tools from candlesticks to indicators, so you can start spotting trends and making more informed decisions. Below that is the order book. This is a real-time list of all the buy and sell orders for a specific cryptocurrency. It shows you the market depth and liquidity, which are crucial for understanding where the price is headed. Now, let's talk about the trading panel. This is where you place your orders, and Kraken Pro gives you more options than the standard app. You have your basic market order, which executes a trade immediately at the current market price. But the real power is in the limit orders. A limit order lets you set a specific price you want to buy or sell at. This means you can automatically enter or exit a position without having to constantly watch the market. It's perfect for setting a sell target to take profits or setting a buy order for a dip. Another great feature for beginners is the ability to easily manage your portfolio. In Kraken Pro, you get a detailed overview of your assets, your unrealized profits and losses, and your cost basis, all in one place. No more switching back and forth or using a separate spreadsheet. This helps you track your performance and make better decisions about your holdings. Kraken Pro also offers staking, allowing you to earn passive income on your crypto. You can easily stake assets like Cardano or Solana directly through the platform and see your estimated rewards, making it a seamless way to grow your portfolio. And the best part? Kraken Pro's fee structure is designed for active traders, with a maker-taker model that offers significantly lower fees than the regular app as your trading volume increases. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.